Hey, what's up everybody? It's Scotty. It's your kick-ass Harley dealer, American Eagle, and I'm back at you with the new bike of the week. Today we've got a 2022 CVO Street Glide. CVO stands for Custom Vehicle Operations, and you'll see, man, this bike is pretty custom. Starts out with a beautiful Envious Green Fade paint job on it. You've also got the custom Kahuna boards on the bike with the matching Kahuna grips, heated grips as well on the bike. We've also got this nice custom seat on the bike with a suede leather trim and the green stitching that really accents the color on the bike, man. This bad boy also features the Fosgate Stage 2 system on it as well, so you'll be heard when you're coming down the road. So at the heart of this bad boy, you've got the 117 Screaming Eagle Milwaukee 8 engine on it with a 6-speed transmission. So if you want to make all your neighbors green with envy, take this bad boy home with you. To come in and test drive this mean machine, come in and see me, Scotty P, your boy in the Harley business. And you know what? I'll make you famous.